Hello students, continuation of this chapter. The last concept we study drugs and alcohol abuse. Alcohol abuse is nothing but a person is going to addicted and taking the alcohol continuously day by day. That is called as alcohol abuse. Drugs are nothing but drugs. If you talk about drugs having positive aspects and negative aspects. Positive aspects in the sense the medicines will be prepared. Okay, for example, like antibiotics, they are called as drugs only. But usually, some people illegally taking the drugs, heroin, nicotine, caffeine, some drugs. Those are very harmful. Okay, that one we can study. Both we can study here: positive aspects and negative aspects. First one is what is meant by narcotic drugs. They are the psychotropic or mood altering. These are called as mood altering drugs. Agents, they reduce CNS activity and induce sleep. Our brain activity will be reduced completely, and that drugs makes us to sleep. This is divided into 4 types: stimulants, depressants, analgesics, hallucinogens. Okay, these are the 4 types. Very important one, asked for 2 marks. Types of narcotic drugs. First is stimulants. We can see these drugs stimulate our nervous system, that is brain, provide excitement and reduce sleep and hunger. They reduce our sleep and hunger. Like for those example, coffee contains caffeine, cocaine, nicotine, okay, etc. If you read 2 examples or 1, it's enough. Next is depressants. These are also called as sedatives and tranquilizers. These drugs reduce the body activities and relieve pain. Overdoses cause drowsiness, respiratory failure, and even they go to coma. Drowsiness, nothing but laziness. For this example, sleeping pills, alcohol. Okay, na? Analgesics, okay, opiates. They may be asked for 1 mark. What is meant by opiates? These drugs suppress brain activity and also reduce the pain. Heroin, nothing but brown sugar, morphine, etc. Next, hallucinogens. These are the mind expanding drugs. Our mind will be expanded by hallucinogens. They alter thoughts, feelings, and perceptions. For example, for this ganja, LSD. Some of the important drugs they have given below. What is meant by opioid, cannabinoids, cocaine. For 1 mark they may have asked. These are the drugs. They bind to the opioid receptor present in central nervous system and gastrointestinal tract. They are going to bind our CNS and gastrointestinal tract. For this heroin they have given. It is extracted from the plant poppy plant, Papaver somniferum. For 1 mark it is asked. What is the scientific name of poppy plant? Papaver somniferum, opioid. From this plant is it extracted. Generally taken by snorting and injection. Heroin is depressant and slow down body function. They slow down the body function. They are in the form of white, odorless, tasteless, bitter crystalline compound. In the form of salt, they are present. Snorting means by seeing a smell. Next, cannabinoids. Group of chemicals that interact with the cannabinoid receptor of brain, which means they are going to bind our brain, obtained from inflorescence of cannabis sativa. From this plant is it extracted. For this example, they have given they affect cardiovascular system of the body. Cardiovascular means that is it affects mainly the heart system. They are taken in the form of injection. Some sports person will be taken this cannabinoids. It's illegal, but they are taking used by some sports person. Next, cocaine. If you see cocaine, it is extracted from coca plant, Erythroxylum coca. It is going to interferes with transport of neurotransmitter dopamine. Cocaine is commonly called as coke or crack, is usually snorted. Cocaine is nothing but it's a brown sugar, not brown sugar, it's like sugar like. Excessive doses causes hallucination. Hallucination is nothing but a person is going to think which is not happened, already happened. Which is already happened, he will think not happened. That is nothing but hallucinations. Next, medical uses. We see medical uses, they are used as medicines. Most of the drugs are used as medicine for the treatment of mental illness, depression, and insomnia. Some drugs, LSD, benzodiazepines. Next is morphine, very effective. They are just painkiller used for surgery treatment. Plant product hallucinogenic property have used as folk medicine. Folk medicine means traditional medicines. Next, tobacco. Tobacco is usually taken as smoke purpose, chewing, or used as snuff. Tobacco contains nicotine and alkaloid drug. If you take smoking, while smoking, CO2 content will be increased in the blood and reduce oxygen level that carry the capacity of hemoglobin. Tobacco chewing is associated with cancer of oral activity. Usually it causes heart failure, lung cancers, like that. Next, a small one mark it may be asked. What is meant by adolescence? Adolescence nothing but it's a period between 12 to 18 years. Only at the age the person, okay, they are going to depend on these activities, alcohol, so drugs. It's a brinkage between childhood and adulthood, 12 to 18 years. Curiosity, need for adventure and excitement, and experimentation are the common cause of drug alcohol abuse. How the person is going to take this drug alcohols means because of excitement, experimentation. He is to know what is going to happen if we take that involved in that activities. Addiction, person is completely addicted, nothing but it is a physiological attachment to certain effects such as euphoria and a temporary feeling of well-being associated with drugs and alcohol. Next, dependence, it is the tendency of the body to manifest a characteristic and unpleasant withdrawal syndrome is regular dose of drug alcohol is abruptly discontinued. Dependence. Okay. Next, effects of drugs. What are the common effects? Usually when a person is addicted with alcohol means reckless behavior, we can see vandalism and violence. We make violence. Excessive dosage of drugs lead to coma and death, even respiratory failure, heart failure. Next, intravenous drugs like injection of chemicals that lead to AIDS and hepatitis. The chronic use of drugs and alcohol damages the nervous system and cause of liver cirrhosis. Liver cirrhosis means liver abnormality, liver cancer. Use of drug and alcohol during pregnancy affect the development of a fetus to child. If you see in youth, it's going to drop in academic performance, unexplained absence from school, college, lack of interest in personal hygiene. These are the things, loss of interest in hobbies, change in eating and sleeping habits, fluctuation in weight and appetite. Appetite means loss of hungry. Prevention and control measures. What are the preventive measures we should follow to control this drug and alcohol abuse? Avoiding undue peer pressure, which means that every child has its own choice and personality and therefore should not be pressurized to perform beyond its limit in an activity, which means that every child has its own importance, personality. So, no one will make to pressurize to involve in this activity. That is illegal. Next, education and counseling. Proper education should be given. A student has to be involved in hobbies like music, sports to encourage. Seeking help from parents and poor. The child should seek help from parents. He should take help from parents and close friends to solve problems if any problems occurred. Looking for danger signs. Parents, teacher and friends should be alert to identify danger signs associated with drug alcohol abuse so that appropriate remedial measures or treatment can be initiated. Seeking professionals and medical help. Affected individuals should seek the help of qualified psychologist and psychiatrist and also de-addiction, which means that medical help means who are addicted for alcohol or drugs, they have to give proper treatment and they have to give de-addiction and rehabilitation programs to come out of that problem. These are the abbreviations they have given. You need to practice and read. Okay, from this the big chapter, that is women health and diseases, have been completed. In next coming classes I will explain biotechnology topics. Thank you.